what to do with those who have come to your churches with short dresses and tattoos, because your evangelical bias has said sinner, sinner, sinner. I'm guilty as charged. There's a lady who is very big in fashion. She actually dresses Beyonce today. She does a lot of things in New York. She was at our church. Can I have one of those scarves that you use for covering those who are give me I know. So one of my chief ushers saw her. Walking with us just like this. You see this top of mine? Assume there's no trouser, but don't assume for too long. I'm just using as an example. This is how it looked in church. Even when I was preaching, I got confused. I said, what is going on? That lady never came back to church again. If that usher knew that that lady could employ 10 of her children, she would have asked for spiritual intelligence on how to handle the matter. Because some of the people with the resources we need in the kingdom are not going to come into church the way you think.